John the Mouse.
Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railroad Depot. The 1920s oil boom brought increased business to this railroad town, and a new depot was built here in 1928. The structure exhibits elements of the Prairie School, Mission, and Tudor styles of architecture. Prominent features include bracketed overhangs and cast stone window surrounds. One of the last brick depots built on the company's western lines. It was the last used for passenger service in 1971. It became a city hall in 1985. Thank you for watching my video. I do have more for you to view. Just press on the button. And if you'd like to subscribe to stay up to date, you can push that button too.